Okay. What is this? Go ahead, Eunice. Good. Convection. How I always think of this is like a V, because in convection, which has a V, the particles become less dense and rise. Okay. So, if you were to, so right now we're talking about the water inside. If you were talking about the flame touching the pan, what would that be? Chidi?
Conduction.
Good job. Okay.
But I have a question.
Yes.
Isn't every type of heat transfer technically conduction? Because the heat energy at some point makes contact with something else.
Yeah, but we're talking about like tangible things that you can touch, not like gas. Okay. When you're talking about conduction, it's usually like solids. Yes? What? Yes, but we're talking about the air and the heat transfer through that, like heat energy moving. Okay? Go to the right. All right, we need to move faster here. Okay, here we go. You are touching some kind of metal stick that is in a candle flame. Go ahead, darling.
Conduction.
Good. Yes, conduction. Perfect. No. Thank you. Okay, we all know why. All right, now I want you. You don't know why? No. Okay, well, someone explain this. Go ahead. First, our teammate, if it is a solid explanation. Noah, go ahead. Track Noah. Why isn't it radiation?
Why isn't it radiation? It's not radiation because it's making contact.
Good. What would make this situation radiation? Good job, Maje. Go ahead, Ken.
To make it radiation, the thing needs to be over the candle flame.
Yes, that is correct. So if the metal rod was over, or your hand was over the flame, that would be radiation. Okay? All right. I'll take your question in a second. What I want you to do, there is one more picture with all three heat transfers. I want you to quiz your partner to make sure that you can identify all three of these. You have 1 minute. Go, Alex.
All right, it's good. It's radiation. It's convection.
What are you doing? Yes, I'll have it.
Really? Turn around.
You can just do it at your seat. You don't need to come to the. You don't need to stand up. Just do it at your seat. What is it? You guys good? You have it all?
Here.
You quizzing each other? Here. Okay, good. And back to me. Let's go over this really quickly. The easiest one, the one where nothing is touching and the flame is just moving heat in all directions. Go, Abdul. Good. Okay, this one that has to do with the water moving because of heat and density. Go, just now. Convection. Good. And then this one where the hand is touching the handle and heating up. Go, Maje.
Conduction.
Good. Okay, perfect. You should all know these three by now. Okay. We are going to do a little bit of a challenge review. You are going to have 90 seconds, 1.5 minutes, to fill out, nice, for the visual, to fill out whatever heat transfer there is. Stand up when you are done. So, 90 seconds, we have to wait. Don't start yet. Don't start yet. Okay, start now. Go. Stand up as soon as you're done. If you talk for any reason, you will be paying attention today. Please be silent. Worry about yourself. Make sure you let the whole word out. You're writing the whole word out. Make sure you are silent. If you are distracting other people, it is on your paycheck right now. Please just handle your business. You have 15 seconds. Everyone is standing up as soon as they're done. You have to finish the back real quick. Go. 10 questions, go. And stop. Everybody stand up. Chidi, hurry up. So you are standing until you get one wrong. Here we go. Read the first one, please, and tell me the answer. Go ahead, Noah. Good job. Good. Sit down if you got anything but convection. Next one, 2. Go ahead. Shanika.
When two objects are touching, conduction.
Good. 3.
Conduction.
Conduction. I got it. Thank you. Go ahead, Kim.
When nothing is touching, radiation.
Good. Number 4, Ula.
When cooler replaces hot air, conduction.
Vection. V. Yes. Sit down if you got it wrong. When cool air replaces hot air. Convection. What's convection? No, convection. Thank you for derailing class, though. That's awesome. 5. Go ahead, Asada.
Transfer in all directions, radiation.
Yes. 6. Go ahead, Abdul. Nope, and you need to read the sentence. Go ahead, Asada.
Between the stove and the pot, convection.
Convection is incorrect. Okay, so the pot is on the stove. And the stove is hot. Go ahead, Eunice.
Conduction.
Conduction is right. Sit down if you didn't get conduction. Okay, number 7. Go ahead, Amaje. Malik, you got 8.
Pan of water. Conduction.
No.
No, convection.
Convection. Yes, convection is number 7. You're sitting in your seat if you have one wrong. Otherwise, you're standing all the way up. Okay. 8. Malik.
Causes wind convection.
Convection. Good. Wow, okay. Number 9. Go ahead, Chidi.
9 happens in a dead of standing. Conduction.
No.
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 Aren't you laying on the ledge?
You're laying on the plastic, but the plastic is not touching the bulbs. This is a tricky one. Getting spicy. Who's got it? Go, Fernando. Radiation. Good. And number 10. Go ahead, Giselle.
Rubbing your hands together.
Conduction is correct. So all of you guys got 100%. So when it says, how did you do, write your score. It's a percent. It's between 0 and 100. Okay. I didn't mean to quote a rapper there. Okay. So this summarizer is what you're going to do next. You're going to say blank holiday is like a heat transfer because, so pick a holiday to cite here. Go ahead. You got 1 minute. Please make sure you're just looking at your paper. It's really weird that you would be talking right now, but it's definitely on your paycheck. Can you show two Peter?
Okay.
No.